Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm opening up more of these. So if you have not watched my last two videos, I opened up some Season 4 and 3 Season 3s. So I'm going to go ahead and open up. I'm going to start this pack because I need most from this pack. And like always, I already cut open this to make it opening it just a bit easier. So let's go ahead and check out who we got. I'm going to push that in the back. Dump out all the bags. Okay, so you get 5 bags, and then I got Teeny TV, which I needed, Flappy Cap, Peachy, and Lana Banana Bread. So let's go ahead and check out who's inside this blind bag. And I think I already know. Ooh, the other color that I need. Yay, Chalk Frosted. So we got Chalk Frosted Creamy Cookie. Wah. Oh, there we go. And there's a checklist right here, but we don't need to look at that. And these 3 I'm going to open up in another video, so you guys will see that. But right now I have this, so let's go ahead and open. Sorry, I'm not in the camera. Okay. Empty. Someone fell. Wow. Okay. So we got more bags. I said that so weird. Okay. Wow. We got our bags. We have, Sweet Pea and Macy Macaroon. We have Susie Sushi and Frosty Fridge. And we have our blind bag. Please be Chalk Frosted. It's really thin. I don't think I've felt anything this thin in my whole life. Ooh, I think I know who it is. Ooh, I don't have this little guy. Oh, he has glasses. I will be. Okay, so change of plans. We are opening the rest of them because this video is super short and I just want to open all of them now. So, oh my gosh, what am I doing? Let's open this one. So, I need like 40 or 50 more Season 3 to complete the whole season. So, this might get me closer. There's the bag. And here's the Shopkins. I'm dropping everything. Okay, like usual, get the bags. Wow. You guys can see that, surprisingly. Okay, so we have Toasty Bread and Frosty Fridge. And then we have Bonnie Beret and Wilma Wedge. Sorry, it's not focusing. I have to tap it to make it focus. And, I don't think I have this little baby. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Oh, it's a little croissant! I wanted a croissant! Yay, Chalk Frosted! Chalk Frosted! Woohoo! Okay. Wah. So, gonna open up this bag now. So excited about all these Chalk Frosteds, you know? All these Chalk Frosteds. Ooh, they all fell out. Beep. Oh, there goes checklist. All these Chalk Frosteds I'm getting, yeah. So exciting. Okay, I gotta put down the camera so you guys can see. Okay. Swoop. So, like usual, the bags. Gotta set these up. So, we got Wanda Wafer. We got Scotty. We got Lana Banana Brand. And we got Vicky Vac. And in our bag, please be Chalk Frosted. Chalk Frosted. Oh, I already got this person. That's okay. We got Molly Moccasin. Whoop. Okay. And last but not least, this one. this one. So, we're going to open it up. Please be someone good. Ah! Ah! Oh, it's already open. I know who is in there. I already have it, but it's okay. Just gonna have to pop these out. Okay. We got our bags, like usual. Gotta get up now. Okay, we have the bags, the Shopkins, and inside we have Pop Buck, Susie Sushi, Wendy Wedding Cake, and Asbury Raspberry.